What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your RWM-ICE to a mixer. So we can set up our RWM-ICE to an expansive setup like our mixer and two of our speakers here. Now there's actually a couple different ways we can do this. One way is by using the included 1/4-inch cable. Plug one end into the 1/4-inch output on the back of the receiver, then plug the other end into one of the channels here on our mixer. For today, let's use channel 1. So first we'll want to make sure that the volume here on our powered speakers are set up. Next, on channel 1 of our mixer, we'll raise the gain knob and the level knob. Make sure that the volume knob for both microphones are set up, or if you're planning on just using one of your microphones, just raise one of the volume knobs. And now to hear everything coming through the mixer, we're gonna raise the main mix knob also. And now if I talk into my microphone, check 1, 2, you should be able to hear my voice coming out of the speakers. In case you have everything set up just like this, but you're still not hearing your microphones coming through, just make sure that the frequencies listed on the microphones matches to the frequencies for A and B on the receiver. Remember, you can change the frequency by using the set button to use the IR sync feature, or you can do it manually by using the up and down buttons right next to the volume knobs for both mics. So this is the easiest way to set up our receiver to the mixer, since we're using a mix between microphone A and B to set up to one channel on our mixer, which is a good way to save some room on our mixer for other microphones or instruments. But in case you wanted to have more control over your microphones, you can set up your receiver to 2 separate channels here on our mixer. So to do that, I'm going to need 2 XLR cables for each microphone. I'm going to take the female ends of both cables and plug them into the balanced out A and balanced out B ports on the back of my receiver. Then I can plug the other ends into 2 separate channels on my mixer. So for today, I'll use channel 1 and channel 2. So for this setup, I'll raise the gain and level knobs for both channels 1 and 2. Make sure that the volume is set for my speakers and for both microphones here on my receiver. Then to hear everything coming out of the speakers, I'm going to want to raise the main mix knob on my mixer. And now if I talk into my microphone, check 1, 2, you'll hear my voice coming out of the speakers. So again, this just gives us some more options as far as the sound goes for each microphone. So if we wanted to use the EQ of our mixer only with microphone A, we can use channel 1 to affect the sound of microphone A, and then we can use channel 2 to affect the sound of microphone B. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your RWM-ICE with a mixer. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.